In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record supplier invoices on Kashflow for 2025, following a straightforward step-by-step process. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started with Kashflow, this guide will help you efficiently manage your supplier invoices. First things first, let's head over to the Iris Kashflow website, log in with your credentials, and you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. This is your starting point for accessing all of the financial and accounting tools you need. Once you're in, locate the suppliers section on the site. You'll typically find this within the main navigation menu, which provides you with a list of all the suppliers you've previously worked with. Click on Suppliers to proceed. Next, you'll see an option that says Create a Supplier. Go ahead and click on that. This page allows you to enter all necessary details about your supplier, such as their name and any identifying codes you wish to assign. These codes help in organizing and retrieving supplier details effortlessly, especially when dealing with multiple suppliers over time. Once you have filled in the supplier's name and assigned a code, you'll notice an option to create a new purchase invoice specifically for this supplier. Click on it. This step is crucial as it ties your invoice directly to the supplier within the system, allowing for seamless management of transactions and ensuring that all relevant financial data is correctly attributed. After you've set the preliminary details, click Create Supplier. This saves your new supplier to the Kashflow database. The next step involves entering the supplier's company details. Here, you can input aspects like the address, contact information, and any notes